agenda for my presentation today is that we will look into overview of smart factory. Then we will look into why Sitara processors for smart factories, key differentiation that it brings to the plate. Then we will look into the programming models for programming Sitara processors for enabling the machine learning inference. After that, we are going to look into how to get started using Sitara machine learning on Sitara processors. And finally, we are going to look at third-party ecosystem. So what is smart factory? So smart factory is another name for Industry 4.0 or Industrial Internet of Things. In this, in the smart factories, basically it's nothing but a network of devices connected via communication technologies to form systems that monitor, collect, exchange, and analyze data. So tons of data being generated in smart factories, which makes it perfect for machine learning applications. It is based on 4 design principles, which lay the foundation for the key technology need that these smart factories need. So first design principle is interconnection, where all the devices, machines, sensors, and people are connected to each other via Internet of Things or Internet of People. Next is the information transparency, where the system creates a virtual copy of the cyber-physical world through sensor data. Third is the technical assistance. So here, the system should be able to assist human in making decisions and solving problems, as well as ability to assist them in doing difficult tasks or unsafe for human beings. Finally, it is the 4th design principle is the decentralized decisions, where the cyber-physical system should be able to make small decisions autonomously. So these 4 design principles lay down the foundation for the key technology considerations, such as industrial communication protocol. So the devices connect to each other and talk to each other over a protocol, which is not one single, but there are several protocols that have evolved over a period of time, and they have some strict timing constraints. The nature of the work in the factory floor requires the system to be able to do real-time control of the cyber-physical world. These applications or the devices also need to be having security and functional safety requirements. Along with that, to be able to do the technical assistance and be able to have the autonomous decisions, these devices need to have the ability to do machine learning at the edge or maybe at the cloud. Because these are industrial applications, they need to have enhanced reliability. As well, the devices should be having a longer life.